So hi friends, today in this video I'll tell how Whinta Shopify integration can help you boost your e-com growth. So guys, as you already know, Whinta is a WhatsApp business API platform where we help to automate WhatsApp marketing things. Okay, so in this same thing, we have implemented this feature where we can integrate our Shopify platform for different type of notification and overall WhatsApp marketing thing related to our platform. Okay, so here this is the option of integration. Once we go to this option, we see that connect your Shopify store. So we can put our Shopify store URL here. Okay, let's say I have one testing URL. Let's say, let me check. Yeah, so this is one testing URL. So let's say this type of website you will have. Okay, currently this is password protected as it is test one. So similarly you will have your so you'll just take it here and you will put it here and you will just connect it. Okay, once you click it, it will take you to the authorization page, and then you just have to like click on authorize. Okay, so I have already did the same thing, so I'll just directly go to that account where I have already connected this. Okay, so let me close this window. Okay, once I close this window, I came into this one where I've already connected it. Okay, so once we do that, so we have this page at place of that connection thing, we get onto this screen. Okay, here we can see it is the like stats page. It is showing stats, like it is showing that like growth due to Winter, total revenue and all those stats. Okay, you can clearly see. So if I come down, I can just see this is connection, where it is showing that yeah, it is connected to this site. Okay, and if I want to disconnect it at any point of time, I can just come here and I can disconnect my shop. Okay, so okay, let's move down. Here I can see order confirmation thing. If I want to like see, as I already told you, there are 2 3 major motive for this integration. First of all, order related notification. Either it's order confirmation, either it's order shipping notification, order cancel notification, order refunded notification, or it's payment failed. Okay, this type of notification. Apart, we have this thing, let's say COD to prepaid with conversion thing, that let's say if someone has done COD. Okay, and if we want that, let's say in the process of delivering this order, we can remarket them with this payment link. Okay, so we can just tell them to that, hey, this is the link and you can just pay it. Okay, so that's thing. And then we have COD order confirmation. Let's say what happens when we take any type of COD order, sometimes we re-verify it, so that to be to be sure that yeah, the front person has actually done that order. Okay, so for that purpose we use this, where we have some sort of message where we have confirmation yes or no type of buttons, where if someone click on yes, then the order proceeds, and if someone clicks on no, then we just directly cancel the order. Okay, so and these all can be done automated using these features. Okay, then we have abandoned cart thing, where let's say if someone someone has put 3 4 product or whatever number of product into the cart, and let's say due to some sort of call or something, he missed that confirmation, that payment thing. Okay, so what happened, we can retarget these people, that hey, you have missed that what we can say, you have missed this uh, payment thing, or you have missed uh, this, let's say you can say that you have missed this cart thing. Okay, so so that we can just directly message them, and we message them with their cart link, and they just click on that cart and then they can make the purchase. Okay, so we can do that. So let's go one by one. So below connection, this is order confirmation thing, where I can just go and I can check whatever template I have in my account. Okay, let's say I go to message template. I have so many message template already made. I can just make any of the message template from here. Okay, and if I want to use variable, we have variable option also. Let's say if I want ki hi first name. Okay, let's say I want hi Shubham. Okay, so this one is sample. Okay, so hi Shubham, and let's say whatever your order. Okay, so this way we can make this template. Okay, you guys, if you are already using Whinta platform or any type of API platform, you might be already knowing this thing. Okay, so we can make template. Okay, let's go to integration then once again. So we can just make the template, what template we want to send against what type of notification. Okay, so this is order confirmation. So let's say I, I can select any of the template. Okay, let's say I select this one. So I'll see the what we say, I'll see the preview also here. Okay, so what will be going to the customer, if it has button or whatever the preview is, I can just see from here. Okay, or if it has, let's say, variables, then also I have option to map the variables here. Let's say whatever variables are possible, all variables are there. Let's say if I want to put the order currency, the order status URL, order number, email, phone number, like first name, last name, full name, everything is possible. So I can just set it, I can just on it and set it. Okay, and save changes. Okay, save setting. So this way we can put the order, like this order confirmation related template, like we can map the template against this order confirmation thing. Okay, event, order confirmation event. So whenever any order is confirmed, we'll just, the system will automatically WhatsApp them. Okay, the template that we have already set it. Okay, okay, so let's move on to the COD verification thing. So this is, I've already told you that let's say if someone did some sort of COD payment, like COD order, and we want to re-verify with them that hey, this is your order only. So in that case, we can just have some sort of template where we can have button. Okay, let's say I will have some sort of template, let me check. So yeah, let's say we can have this type of, let's say I can have one button, let's say are you sure, let's say yes or no, this type of thing. Okay, or whatever, I confirm or I cancel, this type of. Okay, so we can have this type of template, we can just select that template, and then what we can do, and then we have two verification method, either using button, that if someone click on yes or no or whatever. Okay, and the second one is based on the keyword. Okay, in the keyword option, if they revert us with yes or no, then accordingly we take a decision. Okay, so response time is like, if they click within 30 minutes, then how to proceed. Let's say if they, let's say we set this 30 minute, and let's say accordingly we have done here that if let's say that person do not reverts within 30 minutes, then we need to cancel that. Okay, so that can be done here. Then let's go down, COD to prepaid conversion. This is very simple, that if someone has done COD order and we want that in this process till the delivery, we can just message them with the one template with the link of the payment. So that can be done. Okay, so we can just make one template accordingly. Let's say I can show you some sort of test template. Let's say I have this test template with variable. Let's say if I have something like, hey, here is your payment link, then I can at the place of link, I can just take this variable. So accordingly I can do, let's say hi first name, this is that, this is your order, this is your link, this thing can be done. Okay, then we have order shipped notification. This is very basic, which template I need to send against the order shipping thing, that can be done against the order cancel thing, similarly against the order refunded, similarly against the payment failed thing. This is also very similar. Now comes on the abandoned cart thing. So this is abandoned cart. See, as I already mentioned, abandoned cart is, let's say someone was doing some sort of purchase, but at the mid they got one call. Okay, and now once they got call, they dropped the this checkout. So we can remind them, let's say within 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, or whatever. Okay, time. So we can have some sort of template selected here. We can see the preview, what template to send or not. Okay, and yeah, in this type of thing, we should generally take one template with a variable, where we can just put a checkout URL so that they can click on that URL and then they can complete the checkout. Okay, and we have maximum attempt thing also, like how much time to attempt. So once these are set up, we can see that abandoned cart thing is actually shown here, like which order was, like which last order was there, of how much amount and how much attempt is made, so that we can see here. Okay, so this is a brief overview. Okay, and once you start doing this thing, once you set up this thing, you'll get an exact idea. But yeah, the important thing is to start connect to your Shopify store with Whinta, this integration. And if you feel any type of issue, do connect with us. We are always available. Okay, and we will be helping you get this done. Okay, so with this, guys, oh yeah, one more important notification, guys. We will be implementing AI and very advanced things soon. So there are many other updates coming in into this integration. So stay tuned. We will be working on the AI part thing also, and we are planning that these AI would be that much capable that if someone comes to your platform, and if they want that, hey, I want some sort of clothes or some sort of product from your platform, do suggest me. So it can just ask 3 4 5 questions and it can just suggest them. So this is going to happen, and soon we would be launching that too. So just stay tuned, and we'll be working on this thing to make the ecom thing, ecom game, your ecom game, the best. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys.